How are you doing? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs. If you follow my vlogs, fucking this camera's shaking like a shitting dog. There we go. If you follow my vlogs, you'll see I've got a Triumph bobber in. This is the documentation of the job. Enjoy. What is absolutely dominating this month is Barney's Triumph bobber. Less than 1,000 miles this has done. So it's like brand new. And he's changed a few bits. He's put some Triumph actually, ape hangers on it and forwards off a different bike. But it's still Triumph. And a few other bits and bobs. We're going to totally strip it. We're going to rework the headstock area. We're going to rake it and give it a little bit of a gooseneck so it can run some overlength forks. And then we're going to strip it, powder coat it, build it back up. And it should end up looking just like it does now, quality wise. Only with those modifications. So that is this month's big fucking job. There's a lot of fucking hours in there. That's what I'm going to be getting on with once I've done a bit on a few other bits. So here we are, an hour or so in. Let's just strip the forwards off. I'm going to have to take this mounting off for the forwards. And then I can get the exhaust off and out of the way. What I'm going to try to do is keep the engine in the loop, because the bottom cradle of the frame on bolts. So if I can keep that all in one unit, undo it and drop it out the bottom of the frame, or lift the rest of the frame away, then that'll be quite peachy. But we're getting there. You'll see from the stills how complicated the things are, how they're put together. Which is why I take so many photographs, just so I've got that reference to get it back how it was, come building it back up time. So anyway, onward and upward. A little further in. And marked, and what I'll do, you can see this has got a white paint mark on it, and I'll put a white paint mark on the corresponding location, like these brackets. Look, knocked over my wrench then, sorry. So yeah, we're getting down there. The front end's now free, that could come out. I'm trying to investigate, work out where all the electrics are mounted in this space. I might have to take the back end out to get to that. We'll see. But so far, so fucking good. Here's one. We need to get the chain off. Now, we could probably take this front sprocket off. If there's leverage, slide the wheel forward. Undo the pivot for the swing arm and bring it all out as one. But it's easier to split the chain. Now, there's no split link in these chains. What there is, look, I've cleaned it so you can see. It's a soft link. And it's been pushed together, then these ends are riveted over. So it's like a compromise between a standard link like these and a split link. What you need to do, you can either punch them back out with a chain splitter. You have a tool that drives them back out, or you can use Mr. Ioba, which is just what I'm going to do. So we'll grind those smooth, yeah, and then we punch it out, and then the chain's off. So that's a soft link. So we're using look at that, how that's caught out. it's not spinning backwards. We're using a carbide tip tool to take this out, to make that tool. This is just about the last cut on this side, and then we're going to machine the other side away and we'll have a tool for the swing arm. Here we have it, look, if it'll focus. So it's got two toothy pegs to locate in the slots on the swing arm, and then we can wind that in. I'll do it with the grips on the nail bit and go from there. That's the engine out, still on its cradle. Nightmare with the wiring. And there's the frame lot in submission. What's left of what's left of it? The other half's still on the motor, but that's on its back. Swing arm as well, because I need to put a bracket on there for the chain guard. It's over to the bench for this now. We're going to make a fixture, so I can use a reference. I'll have a reference where everything is. And that'll do it. Look, off we go. So I don't want to have the engine and the cradle on the bench. So I'm going to make a fixture and work from there. Sorted. So that's phase 1 done. I'll get this jigged up now on the bench. I'll make a fixture, as I said, to reference where the engine mounts go and everything else. So I don't have to use the engine and the cradle while I'm cutting and welding and grinding. Join me for further updates. Please like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my friends in the description below. I'll see you soon. Have a great one. Lots of love, everyone.